All right, family. Today we are making cornbread and freshly made juice for the family. Here I have my prepackaged cornbread mix, and I did add a lot of milk and egg. I think I was missing something. I'm not sure. My American friends, but no verse, so now they won't wasabi. Anyway, you can see my mouth moving here. I was scolding Ada because we had said something, and I heard her for the first time murmuring actually, and I told her it was a no in the family. It's not acceptable. I know when we were growing up, hey, who born you to murmur for your parents? Hey, the kind of thing that will land on your face, you think it's tornado that hits you. Anyway, moving forward, today the kiddos decided to juice, and I'm letting them. It's Ebube and Zara's turn to juice. Yeah.
That was so rude.
That's so rude to say. That's so rude. Mommy,
Okay.
mess on my clothes.
Bring your cup up.
This one is see.
How much do you want? That's enough.
Okay. Mommy, I'm gonna go see mine, okay?
Why are there so many cups, paper plates here?
Ooh, it tastes good without being sieved. I'll get more.
Finish that one first.
Okay.
Kenga. Oh God, I bless you. What are you eating?
Receiving this.
Who has this?
Me.
I'm in the village.
Keep on. It's good.
Susan, where's your
Oh
cup?
no, in America. I want the village good smell.
And then,
Mommy,
Okay.
is it only cucumber and carrot out of here?
Pick up my car.
I'm eating plantain now.
Hey, lady.
Plantain now. And the paka.
Right
Hey, Benyam, tell them my baby cut or this thing.
Where's the seed?
Vole. Mba, vole.
Okay, so who wants to come bread?
Me.
Hey,
Escalator. Oh, shit, oh, shit,
I should get more.
Yeah.
after that, everybody here will gain 15 pounds.
I don't know.
After this night.
I don't want to be 115 pounds. You need 100 pounds?
I'm 135.
It's not even crazy. You're 135.
Yeah.
How much am I?
Less than 100. Less than 100. That's all I know.
Yeah, less than even one. I'm like 98.
You're way more than 1 pound.
If you were 1 pound, you probably would
That
be
looks like
alive.
real cornbread. How does it taste?
Good.
Okay.
This is Ram.
Thank you.
Mom, this is the best.
I'm not eating that.
Who made this cornbread?
I'm gonna put this up
Was it you
tomorrow.
that made this cornbread?
No. This is Ram. One plantain.
Delicious.
Hey, one plantain.
I'll take the thing. Happily.
One.
Can I?
Are you gonna finish one?
Can I give you?
Yeah.
Wait, wait for it. 135.
Yeah.
How much am I?
Less than 100. Less than 100. That's all I know.
Yeah, less than even one. I'm like 98.
You're way more than 1 pound.
If you were 1 pound, you probably would
That
be
looks like
alive.
real cornbread. How does it taste?
Good.
Okay.
This is Ram.
Thank you.
Mom, this is the best.
I'm not eating that.
Who made this cornbread?
I'm gonna put this up
Was it you
tomorrow.
that made this cornbread?
No. This is one plantain.
Delicious.
Hey, one plantain.
I'll take the thing. Happily.
One.
Can I?
Are you gonna finish one?
Can I give you?
Yeah.
Wait for it.